You guys, I've scrapped entire videos because of this. Alright, you know me. Sip of coffee first.
Let's go with this one, so let's just see how many Kirby stickers you are. How many Kirby stickers you are. Perfect. And how many Kirby stickers?
Oh, no.
Holy fuck, I'm so excited. I have to sneeze. Okay, so obviously we have these shoes.
Yes.
It's just so easy on the app to just keep adding stuff, and I was like, it's a lot. Wash my hands. Chopsticks.
Who am I? Like, I just walked out to, oh, I've sneezed. Oh my god, I've sneezed. Okay guys, I'm like embarrassed that.
And then you give birth, which is just, well, you know. And then you have to deal with postpartum. So postpartum is different for everyone.
To show you like the before everything. We'll see you on the other side.
So usually when I've seen other people do these,
I didn't wash my face yet, so it's looking a little crazy. I have to sneeze. Does anyone else sneeze when they look? All right, I'll check back in with you in a little.